Hi, I'm Tim Velk of Synthetic Oil Zone, your authorized AMSOIL dealer. Before we look into the data bulletin for AMSOIL Metal Protector, I would like to point out that I made this video in December of 2023 and that the data bulletin was last updated in April of 2021. In the video description, you will find a link to this data bulletin in case you want to read it for yourself, send it to a friend, or check for an update. You will find the publication date in the lower right corner of the last page. There is also a link to its data sheet and AMSOIL's limited liability warranty. And now, let's get into the data bulletin. AMSOIL Metal Protector cuts through rust and freeze-frozen components, helps protect against rust and corrosion even in salt water, displaces water, stops squeaks, cleans, sprays into hard-to-reach places, protects electrical equipment, lubricates moving parts. Metal Protector is a high-performance, easy-to-use spray-on product that lubricates, displaces moisture, protects against corrosion, and penetrates to free rusty parts. Metal Protector effectively lubricates moving parts, silencing squeaks without gumming up mechanisms. It displaces freshwater and saltwater moisture to help prevent corrosion, and it is the product of choice for drying and protecting electrical and ignition systems. MP penetrates deep through rust and corrosion to restore movement of rusty parts. It contains no silicone and is compatible with plastic, leather, fabric, fishing line, and paint. Shake well before use. Spray product on area to be treated. For best results, do not wipe off. Film carrier will evaporate, leaving MP protection in place. Disconnect power source to electrical equipment before spraying. AMSOIL Metal Protector is available in 4-ounce and 8.75-ounce spray cans. The 8.75-ounce spray cans are available in Canada with a stock code CMP. Aerosols may have different disposal requirements than other wastes in your area. Dispose of contents and container in accordance with all federal, state, provincial, and local regulations. For immediate answers to your technical questions, call 715-399-TECH 8324 between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Central Time, or email tech@amsoil.com. AMSOIL products are backed by a limited liability warranty. For complete information, visit amsoil.com/warranty.aspx. Link is also in the video description. This product is not expected to cause health concerns when used for the intended application and according to the recommendations in the safety data sheet. An SDS is available at amsoil.com or upon request at 715-392-7101. Link is also in the video description. Keep out of reach of children. That is the end of this data bulletin. Look in the video description for links and more information. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.